Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X5 fog light bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down. Gather your tools like a screwdriver and a new bulb. Locate the fog light assembly, usually found in the lower bumper area. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, making the job much easier for you. Now, let's get to the bulb. You'll need to remove a few screws from the fender liner, typically 3 to 5 screws, to gain access. Gently pull back the liner to expose the fog light housing. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away from the bulb. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires. With the connector off, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb approximately 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise and pull it straight out. Now, take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place, ensuring a secure fit. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new fog light bulb, making sure it clicks securely. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your BMW X5 fog light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.